She just gave him treats. I don't know what she's doing in there. She's out of range from the interior camera, so I can't see what she's doing. But she's in there. She's opening doors. Oh my God, she's doing it. She's writing peed only. She's writing peed only. There she is. And here she comes. Yep. And here we go. Ah. Hey, I'm here to get the key from you. It's kind of perfect timing. I'm here to get the key from you. I'm Yogi. I live here.
Okay.
I'm here to grab the key because I'm actually gonna discontinue dog walking service from now on.
Why is that?
So I'm guessing if I walk in there, you wrote peed only, you didn't walk Wilson. Is that gonna be true?
Yeah.
Okay, that's why. And I know I don't need an explanation, but I'm just gonna stop the service.
Okay.
So are there any other copies of the key?
No, I don't think so.
Okay, cool. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
And there's Wilson. Peed only. Tape intact. E-tape totally intact. Door not open. Poor dog. You need a pee? Well then, don't run away. That'd be not the happy ending. Good boy.